Welcome to TV Cream of Cards, bringing history back to life. Without further ado, let me introduce you to some more classic cards. Yeah! Hello again. Okay, today, just before I send this set off to Florida, I thought I'd show you it because it's a wonderful example of the early Liebig cards. This set of Liebig cards was issued in 1897 and it displays beautiful, colourful birds. For instance, parrots, the macaw, toucan, some more parrots there, paradise birds, hummingbirds. They're just amazing, and the quality's continued on the back as well, with a beautiful monochrome prints. Liebig issue cards on a multitude of topics from the 1870s through until quite recently. And the beauty is you can pick up a Victorian set of cards at quite a reasonable price. If you, I mean, the equivalent in cigarette cards normally come in 25 to 50 cards. And you're usually charged quantity wise, and so an equivalent cigarette card set of 50 cards would set you back thousands and thousands of pounds and dollars. So you can pick these up quite reasonably. Okay, I won't be putting this on eBay because I've already sold it. But keep checking my store and stuff on eBay. Thank you. Bye. Okay. If you enjoyed this video clip and you found it quite handy, please click on the appropriate red star below. And also, if you'd like to see more wonderful video clips like this, please click on that bright orange subscribe icon above. Thank you for viewing. Bye.